Hi friends, welcome to Always Learning with Jani Barshan. In this video today we are learning le passé composé. Le passé composé means perfect tense. In French, the passé composé is used to express an action completed in the past. This passé composé is a compound past tense. It is formed by combining two elements like two major verbs. One is avoir and one more is être. The passé composé is formed by using the appropriate present tense form of the helping verb avoir and être. These are the main verbs. Most of the verbs use with avoir and few verbs we use with être. Now here is the structure. You can see the structure: subject plus être or avoir plus past participle. In passé composé, generally we use these words: hier means yesterday, hier matin yesterday morning, hier après-midi yesterday afternoon, hier soir yesterday evening, lundi dernier last Monday, le week-end dernier last weekend, la semaine dernière last week, le mois dernier last month, l'année dernière last year, avoir 3 jours 3 days ago. Usually we use these words in passé composé. Now here is a list of verbs, être list verbs. In the beginning I told you few verbs we conjugated with être and few verbs avoir. Actually they are the helping verb like avoir and être, the past participle of the main verb. Most of the verbs we use with avoir as a helping verb to the form past tense and few verbs with être. Être verbs are very less, just more than 18. You can remember there is a technique just to remember être list verbs. Here is a technique: être list verbs. All the pronominal verbs we need to conjugate with être and advent out to the power of 4 dp. Advent means A for arriver, D for descendre, V for venir, E for entrer, N for naître, T for tomber. Arriver opposite partir, descendre opposite monter, venir opposite aller, entrer opposite sortir and naître opposite mourir. Arriver means to arrive, descendre means to get down, venir means to come, entrer means to enter, naître means to be born, tomber means to fall, partir means to leave, monter means to get in, aller means to go, sortir means to go out, mourir means to die. These are the être list verbs. This is a technique just to remember être list verbs like advent or to the power of 4 dp. And now let me show you r to the power of 4 dp. What does it mean? There are 4 r's. Okay, r means rester, r means rentrer, r means retourner or for revenir, devenir and passer. These are the être list verbs. It's very simple to remember être list verbs. First point, all the pronominal verbs. The second point is advent or to the power of 4 dp. Okay, now we'll see formation of passé composé. Here is a formation of participe passé. ER verbs you should write like this. When you find any ER verb, you have to take out R. There you need to place exa ague over E. Okay, and IR verbs you need to remove R and just you need to place only I. And RE just remove RE and then you need to add U. This is a formation. Now I have taken parler which is end with ER. Parler means to talk. It's a regular verb and it ends with ER. Parler belongs to avoir category. If you have a doubt, you just check. Parler is not there in the être list. Did you see here? No, there is no parler in this list. Parler. So it means you need to conjugate first avoir, then you need to add past participle. See, first I have taken subject je, tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle. Then I should conjugate avoir. Yes, I have conjugated. And finally, we should add past participle. Past participle means like a V3, like in English we called gone, written, done. These are past participle. Now I have added here, I have taken er verb, yes, parler. Parler means to talk in simple present tense. When I conjugated in the passé composé, see, j'ai parlé, tu as parlé, il a parlé, elle a parlé, on a parlé, nous avons parlé, vous avez parlé, ils ont parlé, elles ont parlé. Now what does it mean, parler, to talk, right? In a passé composé it means what? I spoke. J'ai parlé means I spoke. Tu as parlé means you spoke. Il a parlé means he spoke. Elle a parlé, she spoke. On a parlé, we spoke or someone spoke. Or else there is a one more meaning. J'ai parlé means I have spoken. Tu as parlé means you have spoken. Il a parlé means he has spoken also, we can say. Now we'll go to IR verb. The same rule, fini belongs to eth list, not eth list, avoir. There is no finir in the eth list. So you need to conjugate like this. Je finis, tu as fini, il a fini, elle a fini, on a fini, nous avons fini, vous avez fini, ils ont fini, elles ont fini. It means I have finished, you have finished, he has finished, she has finished, we have finished, you have finished, they have finished, they have finished. And last verb, RE group verb. What is that? Vendre. Vendre means to sell. See, for RE verbs we need to remove RE and then we need to add U. Yes, I added U. I removed RE here. I removed RE, then I added U. J'ai vendu. J'ai vendu means I sold. Tu as vendu, you sold. Il a vendu, he sold. Elle a vendu, she sold. On a vendu, someone sold or we sold. Nous avons vendu, we sold. Vous avez vendu, you sold. Ils ont vendu, they sold. Elles ont vendu, they sold. And now this is a negation, the structure, form of negative sentences. How do we write negative sentences in a passé composé? You can see here, subject we have to write first, then we need to add ne, na, or else n apostrophe plus verb être or avoir. We need to conjugate in present tense. Then after that we need to add past part pa, then after that past participle. Here is an example. Je n'ai pas parlé. Je n'ai pas parlé means I did not speak or I did not talk. Tu n'es pas parlé, you did not talk. Il n'a pas parlé, he did not talk. Elle n'a pas parlé, she did not talk. Nous n'avons pas parlé, we did not talk. Vous n'avez pas parlé, you did not talk. Ils n'ont pas parlé, they did not talk. Elles n'ont pas parlé, they did not talk. See, before the verb we should place an apostrophe or any. After the verb we have to place pa. Parler is not a verb, it's a past participle. We should not place na before parler. We should not place pa after parler. Be careful. Okay, just we should place an apostrophe or ne, na before verb. Okay, and the next video I am going to explain irregular verbs in passé composé. Merci beaucoup, bonne journée, thanks a lot. Please share it and like it.